Vocational education is stepping into a new era together with robotics technology. The first industrial skills center of Grudziądz was grandly opened on December 9th. As one of Poland's most modern industrial centers, its goal is to develop skilled talents adapted to the needs of the contemporary labor market by combining theoretical teaching with practical skills training, while strengthening the link between local education and industrial needs. To promote high-quality robot education, the center has cooperated with DOBOT to create cutting-edge robot education courses in the industry, covering qualification, certification, digital transformation, and special theoretical training. Mayor Maciej Gromowski of Grudziądz, in the opening ceremony, stated, "The center was established to provide professional training for in-demand occupations. It is also the result of the Grudziądz municipal government's continuous efforts to develop vocational education and to collaborate with technology partners like DOBOT." Vice Mayor Rosa Lewandowska said, "The opening of the center is of great significance and will help Grudziądz develop skilled young people and accelerate automation."
Przede wszystkim tak, można na nim realizować, jeżeli chodzi o dydaktykę, bardzo poważne zagadnienia. My wykorzystujemy ten sprzęt do zajęć ze studentami, czyli uczelnia wyższa zawodowa realizuje tutaj swoje zajęcia w ramach specjalności mechatronika, ale te zestawy, które są bardzo stabilne, wykonane w większości z aluminium, one nie są drukowane, spełniają również rolę stanowisk egzaminacyjnych dla uczniów szkół średnich, którzy obowiązkowo taki państwowy egzamin muszą zdać. Doskonałe narzędzie do szkolenia, do egzaminowania.
DOBOT Magician and Magician E6 6-axis robots empower the classroom by providing industry-aligned educational robotics products and technology. Through technological empowerment and industry education integration, DOBOT helps synchronize education with industry needs. With DOBOT, the center significantly enhances the automation profession potential of the city of Grudziądz and strengthens its position in Polish industrial education. The center is expected to train more than 500 automation talents every year. In the future, we will work together to empower robot education and manufacturing development.